thought I would create a little segment in this beautiful place. Can't really see it behind me, but there's this whole rock cave that goes there. And it's pretty magical. So, I want to talk to you about the subconscious and dreams. If you're not living your life in totality as one is supposed to be with existence, you will be sleepwalking or dreaming through the day. And during the day, we can get away with things because we're so busy with our minds, going here, doing this and all that. But the thing is, you can't run from yourself in the dark, in the night, in silence. So things will start to come to you. And you'll start thinking that you're getting premonitions or prophecies or things like this. And people do, who are very in tune with self and know thyself, they can have that kind of energetic connection to know. But most people are dreaming, and their subconscious is relaying all the unconscious things of their minds that they've been suppressing or holding, or unconscious behaviors and ways that they're living during the day. I hardly ever dream. I dream about once, really maybe 5 times a year. I have made it so that I am within the totality of my being at all moments, that whatever existence presents to me in that moment, I am living in my truth. So therefore, I don't need to dream. I can exist when I'm conscious most of the time, like I am, in this state called yoga nidra, which is when I go to bed. It's a blank state. There's no premonitions, there's no this, there's no that. The energy just goes into like samadhi. Because during the day, the messages or the synchronicities or the patterns and behaviors or thoughts or energetic shifts I'm supposed to be realigning or changing, I am doing because I am conscious in my moments. When you become conscious in your moments, you're able to master your life and be the creator with the co-creator of your soul's purpose. But up until then, your subconscious will haunt you because it's all of the unhealed wounds and traumas and desires and dreams that unconsciously live in a being that haunt them in the night. And even those aren't true either, because you don't know how to read what they are for what they are, because if you're not living your truth in the light, in your consciousness, what is your subconscious trying to tell you? Because that's even deeper. Okay, we'll pick up in a minute.